Citizen, do not turn off this broadcast. SCP-796 has breached containment and is in your area. SCP-796 is an extremely dangerous entity and takes the form of a male teenager with a black police uniform and mask. Obey the following instructions to stay safe from SCP-796. Stay indoors, lock all doors and windows, close all window blinds, avoid listening to music by the artist Luis Miguel. Thank you for your cooperation. Secure, contain, protect.